Before we start the market recap, Nifty fell in Friday's trade despite RBI's broad measures aimed at attracting dollar inflows and supporting the rupee. Benchmark indices as on Friday's close at 3:30 p.m. Nifty minus 50, 23,367. Sensex minus 117, 74,343. Bank Nifty plus 188, 54,496. Investors largely took the RBI policy outcome with a pinch of salt, focusing instead on the central bank's higher inflation forecast, lower GDP growth projections, persistent FII outflows, and geopolitical uncertainties. The big question: what's next for benchmark Nifty? The bears have the upper hand, and Nifty's path of least resistance remains downward. Our call of the day: Nifty looks vulnerable as bears appear determined to test the crucial 23,000 mark at the very start of Monday's trade. The biggest headwind. 1. FII selling in June has crossed the 22,300 crore rupees mark. Total FII outflows in FY27 have surged to a massive 1.48 lakh rupees crore, keeping sentiment fragile. Also blame Nifty's potential weakness on 6 key headwinds. 1. Rising US bond yields. 2. Hawkish Fed backdrop. 3. Wall Street rattles. 4. RBI cuts growth view and raises inflation forecast. A. FY27 GDP growth forecast cut to 6.6% from 6.9%. B. FY27 inflation forecast raised to 5.1% from 4.6%. 5. Sticky crude oil prices. 6. Monsoon uncertainty. What technicals tells us about Nifty? Nifty's intraday downside risk at 23,000 mark. Technically, confirmation of strength only above 23,757 mark. Now, here is the preferred trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty, 23,367 sell at CMP. Stop 23,801. Targets 23,151 by 23,000. Aggressive targets at 22,100. Rationale, breaking down. Bank Nifty, 54,496 sell at CMP. Stop 55,779. Targets 53,900 by 52,783. Aggressive targets at 49954. Rationale, breaking down. Our chart of the day is bearish on Larsen, Persistent Systems, and Tata Steel on any early strength with an interweek perspective. The one stock to buy sell now. Bajaj Finserv, CMP, 1,703 rupees. Sell at CMP. Stop, 1,767 rupees. Targets, 1,661 rupees, 1,637 rupees. Aggressive target, 1,597 rupees. Interweek strategy. Rationale, signaling a massive breakdown on the downside with bullish momentum fading on the daily charts. The stock continues to trade well below its 200 DMA at 1,951 rupees, indicating a weak long-term trend. Immediate hurdles are placed at 1,757 rupees, while key interweek support is seen at 1,597 rupees. Potential fundamental headwinds for Bajaj Finserv. 1. Margin pressure if interest rates remain elevated for longer. 2. Slower credit growth amid a cautious economic backdrop. 3. Rising asset quality concerns if growth slows further. 4. Rich valuations leave limited room for disappointment. 5. Higher inflation and weaker consumption could weigh on lending demand.